How to set dark mode on TikTok. Hello everyone. Today we have prepared a very interesting video. Dark mode is finally available for the TikTok app on Android. Great news! I love dark mode and I think TikTok is quite late with this option. Let me show you where to enable dark mode. Open your TikTok profile page. Click on the 3 horizontal lines in the upper right corner. Here, click on Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down a bit. Here, find the new option called Display. Click on it. As you can see, we have 2 themes, light theme and dark theme. To enable dark mode, click on Dark. Wait a few seconds for the theme to apply. Below, you can choose the option for TikTok to follow the light or dark theme of your phone. I will not enable that because I always use dark mode. And that's it for this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel and become part of the digital family.